Salt hydration sticks. I've been using electrolyte sticks like this for years. First time using the fire salt one, I'm very, very impressed. What I usually do is I take a gallon of water and I put 2 of these in there. This is a berry flavor. You can see all the, all the stats, 670 milligrams of sodium, 190 grams of potassium, and there's magnesium in there, which is actually completely different. I've never seen magnesium in any of those other salt sticks, electrolyte sticks. I think you know what I'm talking about. But the taste is very good. I'm not like an overly sweet guy, meaning I don't like overly sweet stuff. So that's why I'll put just 2 of them in this big one, and it's plenty sweet for me. It just kind of takes that edge off of just normal water. For some reason, normal water, I just have a problem just consuming it. So whenever I'm in need of hydration, usually like the weekends, think you know why, I usually stick with something like this, a hydration stick. These are really good. I also like that they don't have any sugar. This is a big deal to me. I don't like adding any extra sugar into my diet. So I would check them out. I think it's a great, there's 32 of them. They taste awesome. Check them out.